Hi, Sureka here. Today I am going to show you two-dimensional representation of long rods or red rods. I will show you the material now. So this is the material. It's very easy to make this material. Take a long strip of chart like this, white chart, and you can ask your child to color using crayons, right? Just take the complete strip, just the width alone, like you can have 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter. The first one is like 5 centimeter length, and second one 10 centimeter, third one is 15 centimeter, and the fourth one is 25 centimeter, 30 centimeter length, 35 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 45 centimeter, and 50 centimeter. So the length of this material, the first one, the shortest one is 5 centimeter, and the 10th one, the length of this is 50 centimeter. Right? Now I will show you how to work with this material. If we do this material, there is another activity with the same material. We can use the other side of this material for a different purpose, which we will talk about later. So have this material very safely. If it is affordable for you, you can buy this material, but it is not at all required if you can spend time in making this material. Now we'll quickly show you how to work with this material. Watch carefully. Let's keep it all mixed up. This is how we carry it. So again, this material helps the children to learn about dimensions and its variations. When I show you about the name lesson, you will understand better. Just using chart, a very simple activity, but there is very good scope for the children to engage and learn systematic way. Now watch carefully again. from now on, we can ask the child to take over this activity, and they will be actually waiting to finish this activity. Once the child finishes this activity, we can ask the child to wind up this material. Actually, while winding up, we will ask them to take the longest one and keep it back, right? So that we can arrange it neatly. Here, as I told you earlier, what is the purpose of this activity? The children will learn about dimensions and its variations. Right? I'll quickly show you name lesson so that you will better understand this. So, name lesson, first period, this is short, this is long. We'll move on to period 2. Can you give me the short one? So the child will take this and give it to me. Can you give me the long one? Can you put the short one and put it over the long one? Can you hide the short one? So these are the many interesting commands, funny commands you can give, so that they will consolidate their whatever they have understand. It's a chance for them to consolidate their knowledge. And the last period, we'll ask, what is this? The child will say, short. And we'll ask, what is this? The child will say, long. So this is the name lesson associated with this material. And if you have a question like, what is the right time when we are supposed to show the name lesson? The child should be able to do this activity, repeat this activity many times. Once the child strives for perfection and the child is able to arrange and work with this material without any help, then we can move on and give the name lesson. So hence we told you that using this material, the children learn about dimensions and its variations. So by this material, actually this activity involves children's movements actually. This involves large movements. They have to use their hands extensively and they have to move from one place to other place. Children who actually who doesn't like to sit in one place, you can give them this activity. So they will be concentrating on this material for many hours even. Because if they can't sit in one place for some time, this material gives the scope for them for movements. So it involves large body movements and it will help them to engage with this material, and this will help them to increase their focus and concentration. I hope you like this activity. As I told you, using the same material, there is another purpose which we will show you in a different some other time. Thank you. Iti, you can share with your friends, subscribe to our channel.